Pinky artists. Join me as we draw Elly having so much fun in a bumper car. Bumper cars go zoom, zoom, and bump, bump. Let's grab our pencils and draw Elly's happy face as she enjoys the ride. For more creative fun, don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you'll find it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Bumper cars were invented over 100 years ago. That's a long time for fun rides. Elly loves trying new things. Do you think she's a careful driver or a speedy one? Bumper cars are covered in rubber bumpers so they don't hurt when they crash. Bump! Do you like Elly's big, happy smile? She looks so excited. Elly is driving. Would you like to drive a bumper car too? Where would you go first? Some bumper cars have cool lights. Should we add some sparkly lights to Elly's ride? It looks amazing! Are you having fun drawing with us? Are you excited to color Elly and her bumper car? What colors will you use? Awesome! We're all done with our sketch. Elly looks so happy in her bumper car. Now it's time to color. What colors will you choose for her car and outfit? Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Did you know some bumper cars use electricity from the ceiling? That's how they keep moving. In some places, bumper cars are called dodgems. What a funny name! Elly looks so happy driving. Have you ever driven a toy car before? Bumper cars go in all directions. Left, right, backward, and forward. Where would you drive first? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Elephants may be big, but Elly can fit perfectly in her little car. Do you think she'll win the bumper car race? Some bumper cars play fun music while you drive. What song would Elly listen to? The best part about bumper cars? You can bump into your friends and it's part of the fun. Who would you ride with? Great job! Our drawing is finished. Elly looks so joyful riding her bumper car. Now it's your turn to color. And don't forget, our coloring books on Amazon are full of fun pictures for you to color. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure by Pinky Artist.